In this video, we're going to identify the unique features of the workflow biblical topic study. Therefore, go to the main menu and click Guides. Then, in the search box, type Biblical Topic Study. You'll see it under the Workflows menu when it appears, and click it. Now, notice at the top left, it's asking for a topic. So, for example, we could type in the topic love. Notice that Logos will generate a list of various topics, and notice the chat icon affirming that this is a topic. Now, let's click on the first one, love. I'm going to go ahead and expand this window so we can see the options. Now, in this workflow, you'll notice there's a triangle next to each step, which means there are sub-steps. So if we click those, we can see those sub-steps noted by 1.1 through 1.5. So in step 1, we have the general step, explore biblical topic, and here we get some information. Remember, if we click more, we get the purpose and outcomes, etc. Now, look at the very specific steps you're provided here in step 1. Explore dictionary entries on your topic. As you can see here, we're seeing the dictionaries, the fact book. Notice how Sermon Starter Guide appears here, and it hasn't in the previous workflows we've looked at. Bible Sense Lexicon, and now also the topic guide. You can search for these additional topics. So, as before, Logos is not only helping you explore love, but all the related topics. Let's go to 1.2. Review thematic outlines related to your topic. We've seen thematic outlines before. Very straightforward. It'll be a detailed outline with links to the passage list. Under Research Cultural Concepts, unfortunately, in this example, we don't have any cultural concepts. But if love was connected to a cultural concept, we'd have some additional links here. 1.4, examine Bible verses related to your topic. Here we have quite a few verses, in this case 16 passages, that are related to this topic of love. But notice again, it's not exhaustive. It's trying to identify key passages. This will be a good help, but it will not be the only verses you need to seek out to study this topic thoroughly. 1.5, identify important passages for further study. Notice that Logos is not generating a report. It's a chance for you to summarize the information that you've learned up to this point. Now let's move to step number 2, determine applications of your study. The first section is just a description. Let's go to 2.1, determine principles from your study. Now, this is a series of guided questions to help you figure out what is the principle behind the text. And when you understand a principle, now you can transcend time and culture, and that's the purpose of an application. But make sure that principle is rooted in the scriptures. Let's go to 2.2, identify gaps in your understanding. Again, a series of questions are provided to help you reason through this so you can determine if there is any missing information that you need to go seek out and find. And the last one, 2.3, apply principles from topic study. Again, a series of questions that will help you see where and how you should apply these principles based on the biblical study you've just done on this topic. Wow, this is pretty neat. And again, most of these workflows are very introductory. Once you get the hang of this, you can certainly go beyond the capabilities of the workflow. Let's go ahead at the top right and click Close All Panels as seen here.